Lazy Bag Lady. So this morning we've been rushing around a bit. I've got Ruby school, got back, I've had to sort my husband's books out and I've got to take them to his accountant. So I'm running so late this morning though, because I should really have had it all done ready to go straight from school to the accountant's, but I ran out of time, so I had to go to school, come back, then sort a load of stuff. Then I've sold one of my chickens to somebody in America. Lovely Roseanne, yay! So I'm off to post that as well. So if you didn't know, I have changed the shipping on my Depop shop to overseas in America and stuff. So if you want to buy chicken, you can do. Yeah, and we'll get it to you. So I'm off to post that at the post office as well. So right, so we better get going. We've got a bit of rushing around to do, but there is some second-hand shops as well, so we might get a chance for a rummage. So let's go. I didn't realise the post office was so far away. Oh God, it's miles.
Yes. So is it just that? Is it that part? The box and the side vents. other one, what's on by, and their daughters have turned other way.
Yeah. Well, my friend's got twin girls. We're
Oh,
alright.
yeah, she's that way. I went to that. Do you go that? Oh, that way. But it was all ladies that come
I haven't seen that yet.
It's just the fact that she's not thinking it's winning. You get one win, then suddenly you get
Yeah,
another one.
yeah, I've seen that.
I know, I'm married to one.
Yes, I know.
Ta-da.
Yeah, you have a raffle, has it all been claimed?
It has, yeah.
Oh, right.
Oh, no. I don't know. Steve, what's going on? Not busy. It was.
To discover on the current Ford Ranger. The Wild Track series includes a highly capable four-wheel drive system with hill descent control, impressive towing capability.
Can you take these right back there? Please, we don't mind what show there. Of course I don't mind.
Just made it back to the car and I think it's just about to rain. It's really cold and windy and I'm sure it's going to absolutely chuck it down. So if it is, I've just timed that just right. So I forgot to show you back of the day. Back of the day, because I knew it was going to rain, is my little Alma BB Louis Vuitton in vernis leather. So it's like paint and shiny leather. So it does withstand the rain a bit. And it's the most lovely beigey colour, but it's like pearlescent and it like changes colour in the light. It's so lovely. So one of my favourite little bags. I haven't used it for a while and I love the fact you can wear it crossbody as well. It's so useful when you've got lots of bags to carry. So I've got a nice drink of pop to have on the way home. I've got sugar-free Coke with vanilla in, so very nice. So let's go home. I've arrived home. We've had Shaggy on all the way home. Oh. I love a bit of Shaggy, it's so good. And the radio in this car is like amazing. It goes so loud and it's so clear. I love it for the music, it's amazing. Anyway, we need to get inside now and get some dinner. Right, we've made it back. Well, we've made it inside, should I say. So mug of the day, I've got a gold mug with a nice cup of coffee. Then I've got salad and some cooked chicken from the other day. So off to enjoy my dinner. Right, that's my dinner all eaten. So what did I buy? I got a few bits from my little Depop shop. I got this gorgeous top that I'm going to put on my little shop. It's River Island and it's size 10 and it's got lovely little pearls all over the sleeves. And I presume it sits off the shoulder and it's like a cropped style, but it's so lovely. I'm so excited to put it on. It's so nice. I wish it fitted me. I got this gorgeous little jacket from a little Depop shop, which is covered in roses. It's so lovely and looks really nice on. So that's going on my little shop as well. I got a gorgeous little bag to go on my shop. It's from Monsoon Accessorize and I really liked the chain. The chain is really nice. It reminds me of Gucci a bit. It's like a brushed antique bronzy sort of colour. It's really nice. It's got these lovely studs all over it and it's got a zip compartment on the back as well. So that's going on my little shop if I don't keep it myself. What else did I get? I got a black leather belt which has got no buckle on it, and I thought my belt that I bought the other day with the leopard buckle, you can take that off the strap, so I thought I might see if it'll fit on this. So it was only 50p and it is real leather, so I'm hoping my leopard like my tiger buckle will fit on it. I presume this one clips and it just fastens in there, so fingers crossed it'll fit. I'm going to try that in a minute. And then I got this lovely bag from my Depop shop. Ta-da! How lovely is this? It's really, really lovely straw bag, which I know are really fashionable at the minute. It is as new. It's still got all the original packaging and stuff inside it, and it's really nice because it's got a zip fastening, which is really good. It stops you from losing your purse and stuff, and then it's got like little compartments and stuff inside the bag as well. I just thought it's really pretty. It's like a oversized straw bag. It's really nice, so that's going on my Depop shop as well. What else did I get? I got this like little keep fit outfit thing for myself. It's got like little spots all over it, so that's the top, and then there was also some like keep fit trousers to go with it, so I thought they're really good when I've been on my cross training and stuff. I can put these on after to relax in. I think they're really nice. So that was it. That was my little shopping haul. And then I also got some Barbie furniture for Ruby, who's going to be absolutely over the moon. There's lots of like sinks and toilets and stuff, so it'd be perfect for her doll's house. So she's going to love that, bless her. So we've got about 2 hours till we've got to go on school run, so I really need to do a bit of tidying up. Boring. My belt buckle fits. Yay! How exciting. So I've now got it on a black belt, which is really cool. I love it. I can't believe it. So the belt buckle cost me, I think, £4, and this cost me 50p, and it's all leather. Bargain. Right, I've got my duster in my hand and my polish, and I've just heard this almighty bang, and I realised it's thunder and lightning. Oh dear. So it's absolutely pouring down outside. So we've got about 40 minutes till we've got to go on school run, so I hope it stops before we have to go. Woo! That's what you call rain. Oh wow. Don't you like it? No, it's not very nice, is it? I don't think you want to go outside in that. I know. And then hopefully it will stop. Oh dear. Cleaning the bathroom. I hate cleaning bathrooms. It's horrible. So trying to do it quickly before I go to school run. And then the sun came out. It's so balmy, this weather. You can't believe it. We've made it into the car. So I just hope we can get parked. And it's still thundering. Although it's not raining, it is still thundering. Off we go on school. Well, I've arrived. I got here at just after 3:10 and there was nowhere to park at all. So I've had to drive around and find somewhere else to park. I can't believe it. I've never seen it so busy. I don't know whether they've had some new starters after Easter or something. I really don't know, but the road was horrendous. So I've parked a bit further away. I'm not really happy about parking on this bit of road, but because you worry about blocking the road up, but there's no double yellows or anything, so we're just gonna have to wait and then go get Ruby. It's still thundering. I think it's gonna absolutely pour down as well, so can you hear that? I'll have to switch my indicator off, you might. It's really loud thunder. Here comes the rain. Can you hear it on my little tin roof? It's just going to get faster, isn't it? Oh. That's the thunder. You don't look very impressed, Florence. Neither do I. I'm not getting out in this. I'm going to wait a minute. She'll just have to wait. Oh. Looks a bit brighter over there, so hopefully it will stop. It's still not stopped, and it's still thunder and lightning. Ooh, I'm gonna get wet, aren't I? Instead of getting slower, it's getting faster. Oh no. I'm just gonna be late to pick her. I'm not going out in this. Back to the car. Oh my god, look at the sky. Wow, that was one hell of a thunderstorm. We're home and the sun's out. Can you believe it? I can't believe how the thunderstorm just timed itself just right for school run. Phew, god, it was terrible. Right, there's my little tea I've rustled up. So tonight I've got fake chips, which are there, salad, and then corn nuggets. I've done myself far too much. I'm probably not going to eat it all. I got a bit carried away when I was putting them all on the baking tray. So there's my little tea. The rain has returned. Oh dear. I've always got to go out in it. Oh dear. Right, I've been waiting for my tea to go down and I nearly fell asleep in the chair. I was so tired. But I've managed to pluck myself up again and we're going on the cross trainer. I'm not doing half an hour though because me and Ruby want to watch a makeup programme soon. So I'm probably going to do just 20 minutes or something. So going on the cross trainer.
I'll see you standing. Yeah. You took me. Oh, you know me. Nothing at
The way you use your joystick, it really makes my mouse click.
Right, I've done 25 minutes, 59 seconds, 250 calories and 10 minutes on my hula. So now I'm off for a shower. Right, my dears, final little vlog of the day. Thank you so much for watching, share my little day in England. I think I'm a bit worn out now. I do feel better for going on my cross trainer. It's surprising how much it makes you feel better after, even though you feel so hot when you've finished. It really does do you the world of good, I'm sure it does. So I'm all washed and cleaned and everything now. So me and Ruby are off to watch Glow Up, which was on TV last night, but we've taped it so that we could watch it tonight. So it's the final. We're very excited, aren't we, Ruby? So my dears, thanks for joining me anyway. So if you do enjoy life in England, daily vlogs, handbags, shopping and whatever else we get up to, then please subscribe to my channel and come and find me on Instagram as Mrs. Crazy Bag Lady. So I love you and leave you and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye!